video, I'm going to show you how to take your eyeshadow up a notch. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but when I was first getting into makeup, I had the hardest time transitioning my daytime eyeshadow looks into something just a little bit more dramatic, adding in those darker matte tones, blending, all of that. I wanted to create a video specifically talking about how to intensify your eyeshadow looks to give them a little bit of flair, a little bit extra, a little pizzazz. If you're new to my channel, what's up? I am a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty and teaching you guys everything that I know. So if you enjoy this video and learn something new, definitely hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications, and that'll let you know every time that I upload something new. And without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the daytime eyeshadow that I was wearing today. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a heavy amount of translucent powder and I'm just gonna tap it on and sweep it all over the lid. This will really help just kind of absorb any of the oils and make it a lot easier for me to blend anything. If you're a little bit intimidated by adding a lot of color, the key is to get a brush that doesn't have a lot of density to it and that will apply just a little bit of color so that it'll be easier to build it up. So I'm gonna take the Viseart Grande palette, but if you don't have this palette, any eyeshadow will do. Medium brown color, kind of right through here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it up to the socket. The more that you blend, the less intense it's gonna be. So now I want to add a little bit more depth to it. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna pack on some of that color. Dark and then darkest. I'm gonna tap off the excess. I'm gonna have my blender brush at the ready, build up that color. And then if you're like, whoa buddy, getting too high, getting too intense, go back to that same brush. Now there's just leftover product on here, but really not that much. And just soften those edges. Now, just like you intensify the top, you want to intensify the bottom. So I'm going to take that same brush and we're going to do the exact same thing. So I'm taking that mid-tone. We're going to pop it underneath. And I have a separate video all about bottom liners. I will link it in the down bar. And then building up to that second darkest color. All right, so here's just a little quick lesson on brushes. This is the brush that I was using in the beginning. You can see it has got it kind of tapers at the front, which makes it really great for precise application and softly blending. So building up some color out here. For that, you would want a brush that is gonna apply more product. The tip of the brush is wider on these three brushes. Can you see that? So that means that it's gonna apply more product to a greater surface area. So we're gonna take this darker color with the medium color, go back and forth, tap off any of the excess, and I'm just gonna sweep it. And you can do this, I mean, until the cows come home. It's really up to you. And then one thing to note is that eyeliner, if you choose to wear eyeliner, is gonna really intensify the look. So at this point, when I've kind of built up some intensity, I like to kind of put in an eyeliner next so that I can gauge how far I want to take the eyeshadow look. It's a lot easier to add eyeshadow than it is to take it away. Alrighty, I'm just gonna pop it on the other eye and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, that is it for me for this week. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and learned something new. As always, more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. Hope y'all are having an awesome, killer week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!